In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send customer quotes in PandaDoc. By the end, you'll be able to create and send a clean, professional quote quickly and confidently. Let's start inside your PandaDoc dashboard. Look toward the top right and click Create New. This is your starting point for every quote. Here you'll decide how you want to build your document. You can upload an existing file if you already have a quote laid out elsewhere, or you can select from the templates available. Templates are great if you want a consistent look and feel and a structure that's already set up for quotes. If you're uploading, choose your file and let PandaDoc process it. If you're using a template, pick one that matches your style and the level of detail you want to share with your customers. Once you've chosen a document or template, the next step is to add the signees. Think of this as telling PandaDoc who needs to sign and how many people are involved. Add the number of signees and their names so the system knows exactly who will receive the quote and where to place the signature fields. If more than one person needs to sign, make sure you include everyone at this stage so the approval process is clear from the start. Take a moment to double-check spelling and that the right people are included. Accurate recipient information helps avoid delays later. After you've set the signees, you'll enter the editor. This is where your quote comes together. Review the document line by line. Update item descriptions, quantities, and pricing so everything matches what you've agreed on with the customer. If you're using a template, tailor the text to their specific needs and add any clarifying notes that make the offer easier to understand. Ensure your branding looks correct and that dates, totals, and terms are accurate. A quick proofread here can save a lot of back and forth. If you uploaded a document, confirm that the fields align properly and that the information is clear and readable. When everything looks good, head back up to the top right and click Send. PandaDoc will deliver the quote to your recipients, and they'll be guided to review and sign. You'll be able to track when they open the document and when they complete it. And that's it. You clicked Create New, chose Upload or a template, added the signees, edited the quote, and clicked Send. Simple, efficient, and professional. Your customer quote is on its way.